Supa Fail. One day his baby is born. Happy birthday, kid. What will we name him? Supa Fail. Why? And then we throw the cake and in the window, and then write the next question. Kaboom! Does that answer your question? Yeah, pretty much. Hey, I didn't get hurt. And so, Supa Fail, you must be a hero. Help, help! Quick, now your chance. What's the problem, mister?
The old ladies took the toothpick, but the sign is free. Read the sign. They got the one customer. She took two. I'll stop this crap. Hey, old lady, stop stealing. No way. You'll never catch me. Oh, yeah? I'll tie this rope and I'll into the restaurant. Don't worry. Now is your never away. Crash, crash, crash. But then, I'm stuck. I can solve this problem. Sally Bomb Factory, a crash, and go. And so, thanks a lot for destroying the Earth. But look, I saved your toothpick. The end.